Hi, my name is Dean Southee. I'm with RPG Digital Print Solutions, and today I'm here to talk about the HP T2300 multifunction device. The T2300 is part of the T series that HP has brought out. This is for technical printers, copiers, scanners. The T series includes the T790, which is a single roll printer only, the T1300, which is a dual roll printer only, the T2300, which is a dual roll copy, print, scan system, and the T7100, which is the fastest of the HP T series devices that are out today. Let me give you a quick overview of what the T2300 is all about. The T2300 is a copier, printer, scanner. It does both black and white and color. The scanning capability is up to 36 inches wide. The printing capability is up to 44 inches wide. This particular unit comes with two rolls. They're on the rear side of the machine here, and I'll show you in a little while how to change media on the device. And the machine also gives the ability to print out up to 2 D size or 24 by 36 prints per minute. That's a technical drawing, which is much faster than the HPs of years going by, much faster. The processing is also very fast on this device because it has a 160 gig hard drive and it has a 32 gig memory capability on it as well. The device has 2400 by 1200 DPI for very high quality when you need to do graphic output as well. So let's get into the actual features of this device and dig into it a little bit. The HP T2300, once again, has two rolls on the rear side of the machine. Changing paper is very easy. To begin the process, just simply open up this bin right here. You have your traditional spindle inside of the machine with the blue end that just removes. It has a convenient spot right on top here designed to put your new roll of paper in so that you don't have to go do it on another table or something else in the room. Just slide it on there. Put your blue piece on the other end, tighten it up, and place it inside the machine. It is now going to slide. I'm sliding it through right now, and as soon as it stops, you just wait for the beep. It'll take it, and it's going to walk you through the rest of the process on its own. Nothing else to do at that point. The next step in loading the paper is to simply explain to the device what type of paper you put in. So we just put in standard HP Universal Bond. That's it. As you can hear, it's loading the roll. It's going to tell me to close the tray in the back, and that's all there is to loading paper on the HP T2300. Loading inks on the HP T2300 is very easy. It will tell you when the device is low in inks, but if you're just loading them up for the very first time, you just simply, once again, lift up. There's a little handle here. Lift up this tray here, and it has the 6 ink cartridges in there. Let me explain those 6 ink cartridges for you briefly. Traditionally, you have cyan, magenta, yellow, and instead of just black, there's 3 other colors. Matte black is designed for doing traditional CAD and construction-related black ink. Photo black is specifically designed for doing graphics on high-end material. And then the gray is designed for doing grayscale printing as opposed to trying to use dots and things like that. The matte black in particular won't fade or won't drip if you get it wet, which was always one of the problems with HPs of years going by. If you happen to get them wet out in the field, the ink would run. That won't happen with this matte black. You can eat on the thing. So to change the inks out, all you have to do is pull it out. Because of the design here on each one of these cartridges, you can't put them in the wrong container. Plus they're clearly marked. And then you put the new ink right into the spot the other one was in, push it in, you're done. And the machine will beep for you as well. So to make a print on the HP T2300, I'm going to make it from this USB thumb drive, just to kind of show you how easy it is to do a walk-up print. So to make a print, I'm going to walk up, place the thumb drive in the little slot right here for the thumb drive. You can see USB flashing right there. So what do I want to do? I want to print. I want to simply tap on the print icon. I can print from direct print if I can plug a computer in. I can print from the cloud if I wanted to using HP Print and Share, or I can use the thumb drive. So I'm going to click on that. There's a TIFF drawing in here called Black and White Scan 15. I'm going to click on that. It's saying I want 1 copy. It's 100%. I'm going to go in and change the settings real quick. You can default the settings I'm about to change anytime you want so that the first thing you walk up to is as you see when I'm done, if you'd like. So I'm going to make it grayscale. The size, I'm going to make it to fit to roll 1, the roll we just put in the machine. I'm going to go under print quality, and let's just go with normal. And then I'm going to go to roll and tell it I want it to print it on roll 1. Again, I can leave it with those settings. I'm going to hit start down here. I'm asking for 1 copy. And now, sit back and watch. It's going to go ahead and print that drawing out. Keep in mind, there's also a job queue. I can click on that. It's immediately going to the job queue and telling me what's going on with that job at this very moment. It's processing, it's printing, it's finished. And again, from this panel, you can go back afterwards and reprint it. You can even tell it to make it a half size or blow it up when you reprint it as well. So now, it will print. So from the print we just made previously, this 24 by 36 black and white drawing, I'm now going to show you how easy it is to make a copy. We're going to use the same settings, quality, speed, and everything as we did before. And I'm walking up to the panel. It's already defaulted to what I want. Just going to feed it into the scanner. It takes it over from there, and I'm going to hit start. So now what's going to happen? It's going to simply read the beginning of the scan to understand what kind of quality level it needs to do. Feeds it through. It's now processing, and it's getting ready to print that out, copy that out. So now we're ready to take that same drawing and scan it in. We're going to scan it to the USB drive. We can also copy it over to the network drive, or you can send it to an FTP site if you're set up for that. So I'm just going to tell it that we're doing the scan. It's asking me for the destination, USB drive, network folder, or ePrint and share out on the cloud. I'm choosing the USB drive. The settings, I'm going to go in and tell it that it's a black and white drawing. In this case, because it is just a black and white drawing, I'm going to just make it 200 DPI, and I also want it to be a PDF. You can also do various other formats, obviously, as well. So here we go. Just going to load it into the scanner, just like we did when we make a copy. I'm going to hit start, and off it goes. So now that we've scanned the file, we're going to go to the USB drive on the touchscreen monitor here. We're going to look for the file. There it is, the PDF. Click on it. Gives you the information about it. Now what if you have a whole bunch of other scans there and you're not sure which one it is? Just hit the little monitor there and poof, there it is. Click on it if you want. Zoom around the drawing. Take a look and make sure that's the one you want. Yep, that's the one I want. That's it. This is pretty much the same way it would work on your desktop, just like any other file. So the HP T2300, as you can see, is really packed with a lot of features all into one single footprint. So if you're interested in purchasing or leasing a T2300, let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you. And on behalf of RPG, we appreciate your time in watching this video. Thank you.